Hello, this presentation is for Al. This is Kennedy with Cherokee Ford, Lincoln of Alpharetta, presenting this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ. First thing I wanted to show you was a remote start. Alright, let's take a peek at the goodies inside. Plush tan leather interior, extremely comfortable. Direct your attention to the heated and memory seats. Alright, let's take a look at what we have here. Let's center stack. Good Sirius XM, Bose sound system, and navigation. Climate control for driver as well as passenger. Direct your attention up above. Sunroof. What a beautiful day it is today. Alright, I'll just take you to the back real quick. DVD entertainment, Panasonic for the rear passengers. Alrighty. Well, again, this is Kennedy with Cherokee Ford, Lincoln of Alpharetta, Al. I certainly hope you've enjoyed this video presentation for you of the 2007 Chevy Avalanche LTZ. I hope it's been very informative, so feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and let me know if you're available to come in and take a look in person. Thank you so much, and we'll talk soon.